Well, hello, I am San Smith, and welcome to the Growth Cycle Blueprint. Now, I'm also known as Sendao across social media, but it's whatever you feel like calling me on whatever day. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to master the natural cycle of your body. And it's so important. There are cycles in everything. The moon has a 28-day cycle, your uterus as a woman has a 28-day cycle, your scalp has skin cell turnover which is a 28-day cycle. So in this course, we are going to get knee deep in your natural hair growth cycle because there is one. And if you are following this cycle down to the T, you should be retaining at least an inch and a half. I'm sorry, at least a half an inch every month. But if you are like shooting for the moon and an overachiever, you can get that inch and a half every single month. So let's go ahead and get really, really into some of these facts because I want you and your body in sync with the natural rhythms. So let's get right to it.